Hey kids, did you know that bugs and insects have their own secret language? It's not buzzing or chirping, but something even more fun. Idioms. These are special phrases that use bug words to mean something totally different. Are you ready to uncover these creepy, crawly secrets? Bug talk. Creepy, crawly phrases for cool kids. Hey there, bug buddies. Did you know that ants are super strong? They can lift things much heavier than themselves. That's why we say someone has ants in their pants when they can't sit still. It's like they have tiny, strong ants making them wiggle. Now, let's buzz over to bees. These little flying friends are always busy making honey. That's why we call someone who works really hard a busy bee. Can you think of a busy bee you know? Maybe it's your mom or dad. Have you ever heard of a bug in a computer? It's not a real insect. It's just a funny way to say there's a problem with the computer. Imagine a tiny bug causing trouble in the computer's tummy. Let's flutter over to butterflies. When you feel nervous or excited, you might say you have butterflies in your stomach. It's like tiny butterflies are tickling you from the inside. Isn't that a silly thought? Now, here's a funny one. When someone loves reading a lot, we call them a bookworm. But don't worry, they don't actually eat books. It just means they love to wiggle their way through lots of stories, just like a worm wiggles through the ground. Wow, we've learned so many fun bug phrases today. Remember how we said someone has ants in their pants when they can't sit still? It's like having tiny, tickly ants making you wiggle and giggle. And don't forget our busy bees. Just like bees work hard to make honey, we call someone who works really hard a busy bee. Maybe you're a busy bee when you're helping with chores or doing your homework. Lastly, remember our silly butterflies in the stomach. It's not real butterflies, of course. It's just a fun way to describe that fluttery feeling when you're excited or nervous about something, like before a big game or a school play. And that's our bug-tastic adventure, little explorers. We've buzzed through some super fun bug phrases today. Remember, next time you feel wiggly like you have ants in your pants, or your tummy feels all fluttery with butterflies, you'll know exactly what to say. Thank you for joining our creepy, crawly word safari. Keep being curious and learning new things, you busy little bees.